Hey guitar players, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's go ahead and review this exercise before breaking it down. Ultimately, triads are crucial for learning the guitar, and for me, really specifically, learning the neck on your guitar. And without jumping into the theory behind this specific chord progression, we could go there, but since this is the last exercise in this week of exercises, let's just leave it as a simple chord progression. The notes work together, and ultimately the importance of the exercise is you've got a few shapes, and we play these regularly. I think it's really important to get these shapes under your fingers often, and staying really consistent with them. And anyways, I'll just jump in and say that you've got these shapes, and technically that last shape, that B minor triad, we're starting with this D triad, D major triad, and we're hammering into that B minor. You can look at it that way, and that can be helpful as far as learning the neck. And I'll now jump back into the point I was trying to make. When you take these shapes, you could look at this as simply, oh yeah, that's an A major triad. But remember, it's the same shape when we move down to a G. So it's the same shape when you play it up here, except now it's a D major. So this one triad, right, that one triad shape actually helps you get, dozens of inversions under your belt, because now you have an additional shape instead of playing a bulkier bar chord. Right, you can just play those top three strings. Right, I know I just changed up the configuration of how we're playing this progression, but that's just really to help recognize, a few shapes go a very long way when it comes to the guitar. That might have been a lot, and I can certainly jump from tangent to tangent, but hopefully if you're able to rewind this and kind of sit on that for a little while, that'll all make sense. But with that, before I make this too heady, let's go ahead and just break down the position. So we're playing all of these triads on the G, B, and high E strings. So that A triad that we're starting on, the A major triad, is 6, 5, 5. The G triad is 4, 3, 3. And then, we're hammering, like I said, into this B minor triad. So we're actually starting on 2, 3, 2, and then we're just hammering on that G string to make it 4, 3, 2. And lastly, when we're playing the A and G triads, you don't have to, but when I was playing the exercise, I was bringing in a little hammer-on pull-off on the 5 to 7 on the high E string for the A major triad, and then 3 to 5, hammering on, pulling off from 3 to 5 on the G major triad. Anyways, that was way more than enough time spent on these triads. Have fun, use this as a simple warm-up. We always say about 5 to 10 minutes, and then move on to all the other songs and solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.